Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog number 1 ay magre-react tayo sa isang kilalang financial guru. Walang iba kundi si Chinkitan tungkol sa pananaw niya sa networking. Kaya samahan niyo ako. Tara!
May mga nag-invite na ba sa inyo sa networking or MLM? Yung sinasabi, friend, may business opportunity ako para sa iyo. Napapakita sa inyo. Sounds familiar? O ano? Join ka ba o hindi? Kung gusto malaman, panoorin nyo ito. If you are here, then you are on the road to become wealthy and debt-free. Hi there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. Thank you very much for subscribing in this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And once you click subscribe, don't forget to click the bell button. Pag may bagong videos, manonotify po kayo kaagad. Okay. Itong pag-uusapan po natin na topic na network marketing or multi-level marketing is kind of controversial. Controversial in the sense na yun nga, may mga ibang hindi maganda review, may mga iba naman ay naniniwala naman sa industry nito. Whatever you believe, I respect it. I just need to do this video since many of my followers and subscribers is asking me about the topic of networking or multi-level marketing. Is it a good alternative income? That's the reason why, para matapos na to, na paulit-ulit na lang natanong, I decided to make a video out of it. But before I start, let me offer some disclaimer. Ano po yung mga disclaimer? Number 1, I'm not here to promote any company. I don't belong to any company or multi-level marketing industry, multi-level marketing company. Number 2, I'm not here to defend the industry. Okay, marami na pong mga testimony ng mga taong nagtagumpay sa industriya na ito so that I don't need to defend them already. The industry can speak for itself. My goal in this video right now is just to remove the misconception about the industry, and I hope that it will enlighten you after this video. Ano pong pag-uusapan po natin, ang topic po natin after this video are the 5 lies. 5 lies people believe about network marketing. Ano ba itong mga pinapaniwalaan nila na hindi naman talaga tama? Number 1. Lie number 1. Lie number 1 is what? Ay mga ganun, illegal yan, pyramid scheme yan, lokohan yan. Okay. Not just because the shape is a pyramid in form, di ba? Kasi nag-start yan with 1, nagiging 2, nagiging 3, nagiging 4. Kaya ang feeling mo, parang pyramid shape siya. In terms of, not because they're pyramid in nature, yung shape niyan, ay nagiging illegal na siya. Sa totoo lang, kung size and shape lang po ang magiging basis at magiging tendency for you to determine a company is illegal, alam mo sa totoo lang, ang gobyerno natin illegal. Bakit? It starts with the president, vice president, then senators, then congressman, pababa na baba, pyramid and shape. Ang company that you represent also is illegal. Nandun din yung CEO, nandun yung president, AVP, tapos managers, tapos yung mga staff. All organizations, in terms of size, is pyramid in nature, di ba? Yung structure. Pero what makes it legal and illegal is not in the structure. It is the manner when they transact their business. So the truth is what? Not every MLM company is illegal. Oo. So kasi ang problema po kasi
yun lang talaga kasi meron talagang nagsulputan ng mga networking at isa na ako ron sa mga na-scam. Ang isa sa dahilan, hindi ko inaral yung company. Kaya malaking bagay yun na kilalanin yung company. Yung legalities niya, mga documents.
Talaga ito yung problema. Ang tendency po kasi, tingin po natin ganito. Pag isang kumpanya ay naging, let's say, illegal, di ba? Na isang company ng network marketing, ay illegal yan, o pyramiding yan. Ang tingin natin lahat ay illegal na. Parang sa ano ba? Politicians. Pag nakita natin isang kurap, ang tingin feeling natin lahat kurap. Pag isang pulis nangurakot, di ba, kumuha ng koto, ang feeling natin lahat ng mga pulis kotongero rin. No, that's not true. Likewise, it doesn't also follow if one company is illegal, every company is illegal. Okay? That's lie number 1. Let's go to lie number 2. Lie number 2. This is a get-rich-quick scheme. Oh. Hoy, kung gusto mo yumaman, talagang, sumali ka sa network marketing, yayaman ka. Sa totoo lang, that's not true. The truth is this. Hindi lahat ng sumasali sa ganitong negosyo ay yumayaman.
Tama.
Tama? That's the truth. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but the truth is, this is a get-rich-sure scheme. Yan ang ano. Hindi ka instant yayaman, pero pwede kang yumaman. Sigurado kang yayaman pag ginawa mo ng tama.
Kasi naman, papapansin nyo sa networking, meron kasi siyang paraan para yung sinasabi nilang pagyaman, posible talaga. Kapag inaral mo lang talaga siya.
Oo. So, sa totoo lang, kung gusto mo talagang biglang yaman, hindi to para sa'yo. Ang tanong nga ng iba bakit yung upline ko, sumali dito, bigla na lang, kumita na lang after 3 months, million na agad ang kinita. Oo. Dapat tanungin mo, gaano na ba siya katagal sa negosyo to? May grupo na ba siya? Pumasok siya dito? Diba, sa tagal niya nagbi-business ng network marketing, I'm sure, meron na siyang tinatawag na leverage. Parang ano lang yan nakakainis talaga. Sa YouTube naman. Sa YouTube, ganun din po. May mga ibang YouTube na channel, napakabagal ang growth. May mga ibang mabilis po. So, one perfect example, it took me how many years? 2016 ako nag-umpisa. 2020. It took me almost 4 years before I grew up to 500,000. 4 years? 4 years. Itong si Catherine Bernardo. In less than 1 week, ilang subscriber? Less than 1 week, 743,000 subscribers on less than 5 days pa lang yata. Anong ginawa? Nag-slow mo lang, naglakad lang. Bakit niya na-achieve? Syempre naman, may leverage na siya.
Ganda ng
sigurado na siya kasi may pangalan, may brand na siya. So likewise in network marketing po, hindi po to get rich quick scheme, get rich sure scheme because it takes time really to build. You have to be patient, okay? If you're in the industry already, kung networker ka, kung nagmamadali ka, this is not for you. You gotta be patient. You cannot be in a hurry. It takes at least, ito lang listen to me. Kung gusto mo maging successful sa MLM or network marketing, it will take you 6 months to 1 year. 6 months to 1 year to learn, not to earn. 6 months to 1 year to learn.
Pag-aaral pa lang yun 6 months to 1 year. Pero worth it naman yun.
Okay, pero during that time, kumikita ka na ng konti. But if you really want to build a stable network, it will take you 2 years to 5 years. 2 years to 5 years to really, okay, build your business. And probably on the 3rd year, 4th year, 5th year, you might hit your 1 million. Pero pag dito tumagal ka, kikitain mo talaga yung million. Let's go to lie number 3. Lie number 3 po. People on the top makes all the money. People on the top makes all the money. Silang kumikita lang lahat. Sa totoo lang. Ito po, especially if you are in a binary program. Ang binary program po, it starts with you. And then may right and may left ka. Right and left, right and left ka. Ang kikita ka lang kung meron kang balance, right and left. Di ba? Nasa tuktok ka, kikita ka. Pero paano na kung meron kang right lang? Lahat right side ang benta mo. Right. Wala kang left. Kikita ka ba? Hindi. So, balance siya. So, ito yung iisipin mo. Diba? Ikaw to. Ito yung downline mo. Pangalawa. Yung downline mo, nagbabalance right and left. Right and left. Downline mo. Pero ikaw, wala kang ginagawa. Hindi ka nagbabalanse. Oo. Kikita ka ba? Nandito sa taas? Hindi. Kasi nga, wala kang balance. Pero yung downline mo sa ilalim mo, nagbabalance, siyang kikita. So, that's a lie. The truth is, in this type of business, sa multi-level marketing, if you do not work, you do not get paid. You don't get paid. Perfect example na pinakita ko, kahit ikaw na sa tuktok, pero sa kabila, wala kang tao, wala kang kita, wala kang benta, wala kang kita. Diba? Pero yung tao mo, balance siya, kikita siya. That's another what? Lie. Let's go to lie number 4. Lie number 4 is what? You can become rich without doing anything. Narinig niyo? Oy, alam mo, wala ka nang gagawin.
Parang ako, 2 years na akong member sa networking. Nga lang, wala rin akong ginawa, kaya walang nangyari. Pero good thing, yung sinabi nilang lifetime na yung account mo, totoo talaga. Kasi kahit na 2 taon na wala akong ginawa, wala akong binili, naka-stack lang, nandun pa rin, nang tinignan ko yung account ko, and na may account pa rin ako. Kaya yon, nag-decide ako ngayon na tutuloy ko na magiging active member na ako.
Sa-sign up ka lang, pag sign up ka lang, kami na bahala maglalagay sa'yo sa right and left, kami na magtatrabaho, tapos sitting pretty ka na, kikita ka lang, maglabas ka lang ng pera. Ang tawag dyan ay what? Scam. Saan ka nakakita ng negosyo na wala kang gagawin, kikita ka?
Kaya dapat kapag yung kayo naghahanap ng upline sa isang networking, kilalanin nyo rin kung sino yung upline nyo, kung paano siya kumilos, kung talagang gumagawa rin para alam na mag-guide ka niya o maghanap ka ng mag-guide sa'yo. Huwag lang aasa talaga sa kay upline. Totoo yun.
The truth is this. It takes a lot of hard work to make it in this business. If anyone is trying to recruit you and trying to promise you that you don't have to do anything and then you're gonna make a lot of money, they're scammers. They're gonna cheat you out of your money. All they want is just your money para sila kumita. Pagkatapos iiwanan ka na. Matatambakan ka ng produkto, maniwala ka. Believe me, it takes a lot of hard work to make it in this business. Lie number 5. No one can become rich. Wala namang yumayaman sa network marketing.
Yeah.
Ano yung mga taong nagbibigay ng testimony, nagpapanggap lang? Ano yung mga sasakyan na pinapakita nila, nagpapanggap lang, di ba? Ano yung mga bahay na binili nila, travel na nakukuha nila, nagpapanggap lang? The truth is this, many people became rich already in this industry. Marami na. So kung talagang titignan nyo po, ito lang pang makikiusap po ako sa inyo. Bago pa kayo pumasok sa ganitong industriya, pag-aralan nyo muna. Let's recap, okay? What are the lies that we often hear? Ay, illegal yan, number 1. No, the truth is not every company is illegal. It doesn't mean say you have one rotten apples, everyone is a rotten apple. Number 2, this is a get-rich-quick scheme. Talagang yayaman ka agad. No, the truth is this. This is a get-rich-sure scheme. Hindi to biglang yaman. Pero, pag ikaw nagtrabaho ka, pinag-aralan mo to, at least give yourself at least 2 to 5 years.
Yun, no, biruin nyo yun. 2 to 5 years, pwede kang yumaman. Yung 2 to 5 years, kapag nagtrabaho ka, nag-empleyado ka, kahit yung hard work, kahit ikukumpara mo yung hard work mo sa networking, tapos yung hard work mo doon sa pagiging empleyado, yung pagyaman, hindi mo makukuha sa pagiging empleyado. Pero sa networking, posible.
Stay with this industry, pwede kang yumaman. Okay, another truth, lie is what? People on top makes all the money. I prove it all to you.
Kaya dapat pag pumasok ka sa networking, inaaral mo rin para kahit hindi mo aasahan si upline, kaya mong gumawa ng pamamaraan para matuloy mo yung negosyo.
If you do not work, you don't get paid. Number 4, you can become rich without doing anything. That's another lie. It takes a lot of hard work in order for you to make it in this business. Yes. Number 5, no one
I claim, isa na ako doon sa yayaman.
Can become what? Rich. No. The truth is, many people become rich already in this industry.
That's it guys. Napakalinaw ng pagtalakay ng Chinkitan doon sa 5 maling paniniwala ng tao tungkol sa network marketing. Ang isa rin sa dahilan kung bakit nagpasya ako na ipagpatuloy ang networking dahil naniniwala ako doon sa sinabi ni Chinkitan na sa networking 2 to 5 years posible na kumita ka ng milyon. Basta aralin mo yung negosyo, magpapakasipag ka at laging may positibong pananaw. Yan ang ating vlog number 1. Sundan niyo po uli ako sa susunod. Hanggang sa muli.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.